Ever wondered why these seemingly innocent cuts are so minor yet so painful? Well, science has the answer. Let's unravel this mystery together. It starts with location of the cut. The sensitivity of different areas of the body to pain is influenced by the density of nerve endings known as nociceptors. Areas with a higher concentration of nociceptors, such as the fingertips, palms, and sides of the fingers, are more sensitive to pain. When a paper cut occurs in one of these sensitive areas, the numerous nerve endings are quickly stimulated, sending rapid pain signals to the brain. Additionally, the fingertips and hands are heavily innervated with sensory nerves, as they play a crucial role in tactile sensation and fine motor control. This heightened sensitivity in the fingers amplifies the pain experienced from a paper cut, compared to cuts on less sensitive areas of the body. Shallow but precise cut. Despite being shallow, paper cuts are often remarkably precise due to the thin and sharp edge of paper. Unlike other injuries that may cause more blunt trauma to the skin, paper cuts create a clean incision that slices through the superficial layers of the skin with minimal force. However, despite their shallow depth, paper cuts can still sever nerve endings in the epidermis, the outer layer of the skin. This direct exposure of nerve endings leads to a sharp, stinging pain that is immediately felt upon the injury. Additionally, the sharp edges of the paper may leave behind micro tears in the skin, further exacerbating the pain sensation. Chemical irritation. Some types of paper, particularly those treated with chemicals during the manufacturing process, can contain irritants such as bleach or other substances. When a paper cut occurs, these chemicals may come into contact with the raw skin exposed by the cut, leading to additional irritation and inflammation. The chemical irritation can intensify the pain and discomfort associated with the paper cut, causing a burning or stinging sensation. Additionally, if the paper cut occurs in an area where the skin is already compromised or sensitive, such as on a hangnail or a dry patch of skin, the chemical irritation may be more pronounced. Friction. As the sharp edge of the paper moves across the skin during the cutting motion, it can create friction that further irritates the tissues surrounding the cut. This friction increases the sensation of pain and discomfort, making the paper cut feel more significant than it actually is. Additionally, the movement of the paper against the skin can disrupt healing and prolong the recovery process. The repetitive rubbing of the paper against the injured area can delay the formation of a protective scab and increase the risk of infection, leading to prolonged pain and discomfort. Inflammatory response. In the aftermath of a paper cut, even though it seems minor, our body's natural defense mechanism kicks in. This is the inflammatory response, a crucial part of the healing process. Upon injury, immune cells rush to the scene and release inflammatory mediators such as histamine and prostaglandins. These mediators cause the blood vessels to dilate, which in turn leads to increased blood flow and permeability. The result? A surge of immune cells and fluid into the injured area, causing swelling, redness, and an increased sensitivity to pain. The inflammatory response not only adds to the pain from the paper cut, but also prolongs the discomfort as the cut heals. Moreover, the release of these inflammatory mediators can sensitize the nerve endings in the surrounding tissues, amplifying the pain sensation. Psychological factors. The sudden and unexpected nature of a paper cut can trigger a strong emotional response. The brain may perceive the pain as more severe due to the surprise and suddenness of the injury, leading to increased anxiety and distress. Furthermore, the inconvenience and disruption caused by a seemingly minor injury like a paper cut can amplify the perceived pain and discomfort, making it feel more significant than it actually is. The psychological impact of the injury can contribute to the overall intensity of the pain experienced. And because paper cuts are often associated with mundane tasks such as handling paper or opening envelopes, the juxtaposition of a painful experience with an otherwise routine activity can be mentally jarring, further heightening the perception of pain. By understanding the intricate interplay of physiological, chemical, and psychological factors involved in paper cuts, we can better appreciate why such seemingly minor injuries can be surprisingly painful and uncomfortable.